Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening System Settings and making sure your Mac is unlocked. This gives you immediate access to personalization controls. Once done, locate the image you want in Photos or Finder and verify it's a standard format like PNG or JPEG. You do this because incompatible formats or locked files can block selection. Now, with System Settings open and the image ready, move directly to Desktop and Lock Screen options so you can apply the picture without interruption. You navigate to Wallpaper or Desktop and Lock Screen and click the Lock Screen preview to begin selection. This is where the change happens. Next, choose Photo Library to pick an image from Photos or click Browse to use Finder. Choose the specific file and hit Select. Make sure to adjust the crop and scale so the most important part of the image shows. Doing that prevents odd framing. Finally, confirm the change so the new image is saved to your lock screen settings. You finish by locking your Mac or logging out to verify the new lock screen appears. This confirms success. If the image doesn't update right away, reopen System Settings and reapply the picture. Sometimes a refresh is needed. Make sure the file isn't in use and check Finder permissions. Incorrect permissions or non-standard formats can prevent updates. If problems remain, restart your Mac and repeat the selection procedure. Most persistent issues clear after a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.